So welcome back to the Filmora video editing series in the class 2. So what we have to do, as you can see in the last class, we have discussed about the zoom in and zoom out option and the fit screen as well. So as you can see, here's the option. If you want to record a voiceover, you guys can also record a voiceover. You have to click on this option and then you have to start this. After that, as you can see, here's the speed option. These are the basic options. You guys can use them as per your need. Now we are going to move. As you can see, here's the stock media. You have to go to the stock media. If you want any video, picture, image, or any GIF, you guys can get from here. You have to click on the pixels. After clicking on the pixel, if you want any picture, for example, I want the picture of the cat, so I'm going to write the cat and then press the enter. After pressing the enter, you will see the videos related to cat. If you want a video, you have to select the video. If you want the photos, you have to select the photos. You guys get whatever you want. For example, I'm going to download this one and this one. Now I'm going into the download section and I'm going to use these videos as well. So I'm going to drag this, as you can see here, and now here's the video and all things are here. If you want to increase the size, you can also do that. You click on this and you can increase the size as well. So here's the video as well if you want to preview the video. So in this way you can download the material from here. This one is known as the stock media. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the stock media. So see you guys in the next video.